Hola, hello, I am Pepe the King Prawn again.
Oh, that's so f***ing cool. And that's how we completely destroy a power board on a Leader 120. Nice.
Everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Pepe Prawns here, your host at the Quadcopter Review, and it is August 15th, 2018, and we are going to do our random drawing for the Apis Florea 66mm DIY kit that I'm giving away. So if you haven't seen this before, what we do is we use a random YouTube comment picker. We grab the URL here of this video, we paste it in, we tell it to search. We look at how many comments we got. We got 174 unique comments. I take a quick look. We have 176. As you can see, I've commented in here that makes up the difference. So it looks like everybody did a good job of doing one comment. So we put that in here now, and we smash the start button, and we see who we get. Round and round she goes, round and round she goes. We got John Pacheco. Let's see who John Pacheco is. When I check the channel to make sure he's subbed up for us. So here's his little channel here. We bop on down the line. We're going to click subscriptions, and there I am. So, John Pacheco. Let's hope I pronounce it right, John. What I need you to do is please contact me at pepeprons@thequadcopterreview.com. And that way you and I can get the process started of getting this out to you. Now, I do select a couple alternates, but I never show that because I don't want anybody to get their hopes up that John might not reply. But if John doesn't reply, I do have 2 alternates down the line picked and ready to go in case he doesn't pick it up. But that's this month's giveaway for the 15th. We have the Nirvana controller, hopefully on the 30th, but again, I preceded that one with I actually have to have it in my hands in order to give it to you, and I have not seen it get shipped out yet. So continue to watch, subscribe, all kinds of giveaways always coming, as you know, so there'll be plenty of more giveaways to be on the channel and a lot more content and reviews coming. So once again, everybody, happy flying.
Hey guys, thanks for stopping by and checking out the Quadcopter Review. If you want to see more interesting reviews on FPV related stuff, take a look up here in the old right corner right there. You'll find links to all the rest of my reviews. If you want to get in on some of the best giveaways on YouTube, look over here. Don't forget to subscribe right here on my chin. And if you want to check out my flying only videos separated from the review channel, check that out right here. Thanks for coming. Don't forget to subscribe, and happy flying.